Hello and welcome back to another Barn Automotive YouTube video, and in this episode it is time for a Slam Gran update. It is now back from the audio installation and they have finished with it there. They have done a great job and I'm going to take you over exactly what's been done. It's not all together in the car because I'm not wasting any time. We now need to have the car finished. So the mid console is back out to go to the upholsterer. The dash is back out for me to finalize the controls and where they're going on that. So it's not very together, but I can take you over what's been done there and I'll show you how the new dash is going to look for where you have your amplifier controller, microphone and digital dash controller, and then that will go around the digital dash itself. So let's start with the speakers that are in the car. We have two Rockford Fosgates in the rear deck here. Then in the doors, there are another two Rockford Fosgates, one down here, and then the tweeter at the top, and that is in a custom angled triangle so that they face you, so that you get the best listening experience. And then into the trunk, we have the Rockford Fosgate amplifier and the two Rockford Fosgate subs in the display in the back there. And then obviously you have your air ride tank in front and then loads of lights around the outside. So that is what we have speaker wise, and for anyone interested in the specs, I have them here. So we went for the Pioneer STX, is like a classic head unit that is in the front of the car, and then an Audison amplifier controller, Rockford Fosgate amplifier, and then the Rockford Fosgate T1650S Euro. They would be the two in the doors, and then the T1650 would be the two in the decks, and then the RF-P2D2 are the tweeters, and then there's loads of other stuff on this list, but that is the main specs for what we have in this car. And in all honesty, this video isn't going to do it justice. The sound quality that comes out of this is extremely good. Even if I try to place my microphone somewhere in the car to get the best possible audio from it, still not going to do it justice. It is so crisp. The first time I heard it at the audio install shop, there was music playing from it when I walked in, and I thought they had like a surround system in the shop playing the music, and we were stood next to the car, and after about 10 minutes of talking, it then clicked, oh shit, that's coming from this. So yeah, it's a very good audio system, very happy with it. Yeah, I'll show you how it works. For shows and meets and things, we didn't connect it to the ignition, so you don't have to have the ignition on. There's a kill switch for the battery in the back. This is connected straight to the battery, so you don't have to be draining power when you're at a show and you've got music playing by having the ignition on as well. It's always good to have it connected to a power source, but it's one less thing you have to do. So you just, let me show you better. This is the Pioneer Classic head unit, where your tape player would have been. Flips up and you've got aux, USB. That's basically all that hides under there. But it's a modern radio with a classic look. So to turn the system on, you just press source, and then your amplifier controller up there also turns on. It will update the DAB list, and then we can connect the phone via Bluetooth.
It be making me crazy.
that is the sound system. Very good, very, very good. When you're sat in the car, it's a very good listening experience. I'm not a big audio guy, but I now see the difference between a premium brand and what I'd have in one of my cars. So there is a big difference, and the quality that comes out of that is insane. But that is the sound system setup. The subs in the back producing incredible bass. When you're stood at the back of the car, it sounds great. And like I say, inside the car, it's a very nice listening experience. On to the dash. This is the original dash surround. And basically what I've done is plastic welded in some blanks to blank off where there were controls before that we don't need anymore. And then cut new sections out of separate plastic and made bits that our new controls will fit in. So here there's a knob that will come out of this, and the controller for the digital dash will go in it. And then this is where your amplifier controller sits. This is where the original clock was, so it was a good place to put this as it doesn't look too out of place. These were two, one was a cigarette lighter and one was just a light. So we're not doing anything with them. And these are the original voltmeter and oil pressure gauge, and we're leaving them in just as kind of like a homage to the original car. And then this hole here is where your mic will go for the, to be able to use hands-free in the car. So this whole thing will go to the paint shop and go gloss black. And to show you where it goes, it's that. So your digital dash sits in here, and then this is the rest of it together. So it'll look great when it's done. It's better than just leaving it or putting all the original controls back, because they're fairly useless, because a lot of them don't work anymore for the things they were for. So that will be nice and clean, a very clean, smooth look. Kind of bring it up to date. And that is it for this update. I think it's a very quick one. I just wanted to show the sound system because it is cool. Now, I don't think I'll be showing you any more on this car until it's done. I want to leave the engine bay cover until the car is finished. I don't want to show you that before because that's going to be very flashy. So I don't think you're going to see this car again in a video until it's finished, unless there's something that I really want to show you before then. This is it. We are on the home road stretch, and it's just a matter of getting it done now. So let me know what you think of this sound system. It is incredible, and like I said, doesn't do it justice, but I hope you like it. Next video will be, there's quite a few cars here at the minute, so it could be on an M2, it could be on a 560 sec wide body, it could be on a Mercedes 190 Super Turbo. In all honesty, I don't know. We're going to see. It's going to be a surprise what the next video is on. But I hope you have enjoyed this one. Short and sweet. I hope you like the Slam Gran, how it's turning out. And that is it. I will see you in the next Barn Automotive YouTube video.